Welcome back, YouTube, to my Wednesday Grudge night, test and tune night short videos. Basically, every Wednesday I usually try with good weather to get out here to the track while I'm racing and catch some of my friends who also drive Mustangs and bring some of that content to you. So enjoy the short video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe below if you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. All right, the first of your Wednesday night Grudge night is RBR is back on the track. After having an unfortunate C4 event a couple weeks ago, it is now a rollerized C4, full weight, full interior, low-2 turbo. I got him, I got Timmy, and I got Cousin Paul tonight on your Easter egg. Streetcar racing, baby. Streetcar racing. All right, here we go. No. All right, so we got Timmy Combs here. He hasn't been out here in Coop in probably 2 months, but he's got his whole exhaust on today. Trying to keep it at about a 1050 hit. .460, all motor, naturally aspirated. On the money. Now, if he took his exhaust off, that's pretty much a full weight coupe. It's all 460 NA. If he took his exhaust off, it'd probably go a little bit faster. Now we got Cousin Paul back in here with the supercharger and the methanol, and we just did the T5. We just rebuilt the T5, and we took the Cobra trans out. And then maybe we'll go nitrous later. Not bad. 1260, that's better than what he's been running. Yeah, it's just a super. Yeah, Timmy Combs back out here in the 460, the yellow coupe. I mean, that's with the exhaust setup.
I got it slowed down to run the 1050 index.
Yeah, that's right on the money, dude.
Yeah, I think we can go.
So RBR, back in it. Just shaking it down today. Because we did a 501 converter, and he just put the rollerized C4 in it. So, all right, so I hope you enjoyed the videos. Not too long, not too much. These are definitely not the best times that these cars have ran, but you know what? It just shows progress. A lot of things have been changing with the transmission in Cousin Paul's. In Dad's car, a lot of things have been changing with RBR, with the rollerized C4 and the different converter, and even Timmy trying to run that 1050 number. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys soon.